Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change your language in Garena Free Fire. To change your language setting in Garena Free Fire, launch open the Free Fire application first. Once you're inside this game's screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will then open up the settings menu from where you'll need to tap on Account and Basic on the left hand side menu. Now click on the language drop-down. From the language choices available, tap on the language you want to change to and click on OK. Confirm by tapping the confirm button and this will restart the game and the game will then automatically change to the selected language. And that is how you can easily change your language setting in Garena Free Fire. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.